Easy go.
Hi guys, today we're going to review on my Power X shooting Falcon team, and I'm testing it on my friend Mr. Iron Man. Hello! Let me show you its features. To start with, we have this little switch that changes barrels and clicks in and out. And if you put it in the middle, you can shoot both barrels at the same time. You have the tactical sight, which slides on and off. Bit of a tough one. And then we have the tactical rail here that the sight goes onto. And then we have the barrel release, which makes the barrel come off and on. And we have the trigger. And we have the primer, the mechanical primer. And now let me show you the bullets it fires. It fires these little bullets. And this is what it looks like compared to a Nerf dart. And the bullets go into these green shells like this. And you pull the barrel release back, and then you load your ammo in. And then you can press which side you want, or left or right, and you can shoot. And then you can switch sides to right, and then you can shoot again. And we're going to do a comparison on our Nerf barrel break elite Nerf gun and see which one is better. Right. Now I'm testing it on my friend Mr. Iron Man. Are you ready?
Yeah! I'm born ready!
Alright then.
Oh! Pretty powerful blast you've got there, dude. That was a double shot that really hurt. 2 more shots left. That's a very powerful blast you've got there, Sonny Jim.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how much did it damage you?
I'll give it a solid 10 out of 10 because it definitely went through my bulletproof armor, Sonny Jim. So it's a very powerful blaster. Let me have a feel. Yeah, boy, it is right there. It's a good blaster. Right. I hope you enjoyed this video.
Please like
And subscribe to Bullets and Arms. Bye.
Easy go.